Hi friends! Today I'm making a super yummy mini banana cake. This is being prepared for the most amazing dad in the world on his special day. First, let's preheat the oven. In a large bowl, put in butter and sugar and cream them for 4 to 6 minutes until they are light and fluffy. Add an egg and continue to mix for 1 to 2 minutes. Add banana extract and mix for another 30 seconds. Place the sifter on top. Add flour, baking powder, and salt. And sift the dry ingredients. Mix for 30 seconds. Then add milk and sour cream. Mix for another 30 seconds. Switch to a spatula and scrape down the batter from the sides, mixing until everything is incorporated. Pour the batter into a cake pan and smooth the top. Give a gentle tap to remove the air bubbles. Let's bake it. When the cake is done baking, let it cool down for 10 minutes. Remove the parchment paper and flip the pan over on the cooling racket. Gently tap it to help it release the cake from the pan. Remove the bottom parchment paper and let it cool down for another 10 minutes. In the meantime, let's prepare the banana frosting. In a medium bowl, add butter and beat with an electric mixer for 1 to 2 minutes until everything is smooth and creamy. Add banana, sugar, salt, and milk and continue to beat until smooth. Split half of the frosting into a piping bag for decorating the cake later. Now let's decorate the cake. Put a little frosting on the circular plate and place a sheet of parchment paper on it. Add a little more frosting on top. Place the cake on the parchment paper. Spread the remaining frosting on top and sides of the cake, using an offset spatula or scrapers to smooth the surface. It will require some patience to get it done, so hang in there. Use the piping tip to create beautiful flowers around the top edge and a ribbon-like frosting around the bottom edge. Decorate with heart-shaped sprinkles and add green sprinkles to balance the color scheme. Finally, sprinkle my favorite rainbow sprinkles on top. Ta-da! The mini banana birthday cake for my dad is ready.